Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're experiencing lag while playing Pokémon Scarlet and Violet, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that there are some super easy fixes you can try right now. Step 1. Clear your cache and restart your console. This is honestly the quickest fix. Go to your system settings, find storage, and clear the cache data for Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. Then power off your Switch completely and turn it back on. This alone fixes lag for most players. Step 2. Lower your graphics settings if the game allows it or move to a less populated area with fewer Pokémon and players on screen. Fewer things rendering means smoother gameplay and better frame rates overall. Step 3. Make sure your Nintendo Switch software is fully updated. Go to System Settings, then System, and check for updates. An outdated system can cause performance issues. Step 4. Close background apps and other games running on your Switch. Even if you think nothing else is open, check your app switcher and close everything. This frees up your system's memory and processing power for the game. Step 5. If you're playing online, move closer to your router or switch to a wired connection using a USB adapter. A stronger internet connection eliminates network lag and makes the game feel way smoother, especially in multiplayer areas.